Hi everyone, my name is Maggie and here is the MICROIP booth. As you can see, lots of people crowded and people are looking for these things, but actually we are not really know about that. So today we invited Steven, which is from Axelera. Can you introduce about what is this?
Of course, yeah. I'll take it from you. Alright, so this is a demo that we created to show the power of the chip that we made. We partner with MICROIP to bring a full solution where we create the hardware and the SDK to use our hardware, and MICROIP does basically everything else. So what we show here is the power of our chip, where we use an 8K camera of a live feed over there. So in neural networks, it's very common to downscale your input size. From 8K to the common 640 by 640 pixels, you would not be left with any pixels on the screen, right? There's no information there. So instead of upscaling the network, which would create a very big memory-heavy network that we cannot run, and no other solutions can run that either for 8K actually. Instead of that, we cut up the image into these small parts that we call tiles. So on the screen you can see here these white boxes. So we cut up the image into all of these small tiles and stream them into our cards. So we're running two cards at the same time. Our SDK takes care of streaming the right data into the right card whenever there's processing power available. After the processing, our SDK stitches everything back together and shows it here on the screen. So that's what this demo shows.
Okay. Wow, that seems fantastic. And I want to ask about, so what the application or what the field can we use this technology?
So in this case, we're just showing the object detection, right? So it detects a lot of people, but actually it's trained on the COCO dataset, so it can detect 60 classes, from fruit to knives to backpacks to keyboards, all different things. But obviously it's just a demo. This is just object detection, but you can do things, for example, in an airport, to find bags that are left behind for unsafe reasons. Maybe somebody tries to do something bad with their bags, right? You want to know that. And with this, you can make very high resolution cameras, so you don't need a lot of cameras everywhere, and you can track the entire airport. Or think of your grocery store. You don't want people stealing stuff. Think of self-scanning things. So in retail, there's a lot of these self-scanning booths these days, right? And there's a lot of loss there, a lot of theft. So think of loss prevention, where AI can see if people scan things properly. So there's things where they scan one thing but put two things in their bag, or they hold their hand over the barcode so that it doesn't actually scan but they make the movement. There's not enough people to see that, so that's what we can use these sort of applications for.
Okay. Thank you for the interview, and I really wish if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for your time. See you next time.